Normalizing audio. If I play this video track right here with some audio to it, you can see that in my meter I am pegging out at 0 dBs. So what I want to do is normalize the audio. Normalizing the audio is very similar to adjusting our gain, except that when we normalize it, we're letting Premiere Pro do it analytically instead of a manual adjustment like we did with our gain. So to normalize the clip, I'm going to pick on my clip and right click, and I'm going to go to audio gain, and I'm going to come down here and bring in my dialog box here, and I'm going to come down here and say normalize max peaks, and so I'm going to set everything to be in a negative 6 dBs, or a negative 8. It's probably better actually. Let's go with negative 8. And let me click in there. I want to go a negative 8 dBs, and then I'm going to say OK. And it's going to do the calculations itself. And now when I play this, there may be different reasons, different footsteps in the dark, you'll see now that I'm peaking it around about minus 8 dBs. And so this way it actually calculates the highest peak possible, and then it drops it down by 8 dBs. So this is letting Premiere Pro normalize the audio.